Hello everybody, David Daggett here. Great to be back with you with some summer safety tips. Today we're going to focus on sun safety. We enjoy being out in the sun. It's beautiful. We go to the beach, but sun can be very, very dangerous. Every year in the United States, approximately 70,000 cases of melanoma are diagnosed, and almost all of that comes from sun exposure. So we have to be very, very careful when we go out in the sun, and we have to use appropriate safety measures. First of all, limit your exposure to the sun between about 11 o'clock and 3 o'clock. That's when the experts say that those UV rays are the most intense in bombarding down on your skin. And the thing that we really want to avoid, and I particularly preach this to the young people, including my kids, is you do not want to get burned. If you get red or blistered skin, the odds of having a melanoma later in life go up geometrically, and you just want to avoid that risk. It wasn't too many years ago, we had a young lady who was an athlete at Wake Forest University. This is a star athlete, great physical condition. She gets a melanoma on her skin that's very, very aggressive. She ends up dying from that melanoma. So, and I tell you that story not to bring up a bad story about a young lady at Wake Forest, but to let you know that melanoma coming from sun exposure is a very, very serious issue, and we need to take it seriously. So what do? We stay out of the sun from 11 to 3, wear a hat, long sleeve white shirts. The athletic companies are starting to come out with t-shirts and clothing, including long sleeve summer running shirts. They actually cool your skin more than bare skin alone because of the evaporative nature of sweat off the fabric, but it's also got an SPF rating that's higher than sunscreen. So, it's a double whammy good thing there. If you're wearing sunscreen, SPF of at least 30 when you're out, exercise some of these habits and work them into your routine when you're out in the sun, and you can have a safe, happy summer, enjoy all your outside activities, be safe at the same time. One of my really, really good friends is a surgical oncologist specializing in melanoma, and he says you cannot take this lightly. And then as you age, like me, you need to occasionally have a full skin check. And Dr. Stewart's always very careful to tell me that when you get your skin checked, that means everywhere, head to toe, look at. Because if you have one of those melanomas starting, you want to catch that as soon as possible. And we all need to work that in our routine, particularly as we age. Be careful when you're young. Work that into your routine as you get older. Have a great summer. Enjoy the sun. There's so many activities we can have fun with out there. Just be smart and use a little protection, and let's avoid those catastrophic melanomas, okay? All right, we'll see you later. Have a great summer. Bye now.